Exercise 15.1. Today I'll start with question number 12. A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the numbers 1 to 8. These are equally likely outcomes. Then what is the probability that it will point at 8, an odd number, number greater than 2, number less than 9? So the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That is your total number of possible outcomes. N is equal to 8. Number 1. Number of favorable outcomes M equal to. They are talking about 8. 8 in the list we have only one piece, which is equal to 1. Therefore probability that it will point at 8, M by N, 1 by 8. Number 2. Number of favorable outcomes M is equal to 4, because they are talking about odd number. In this list we have 1, 3, 5, 7 odd numbers. So 4. Therefore probability that it will point at an odd number M by N, 4 by 8, 1 by 2 is the answer. Now third one, number of favorable outcomes M equal to. They said a number greater than 2. A number greater than 2 means total 6 numbers we are getting. So M is equal to 6. Therefore probability that it will point at a number greater than 2, M by N, 6 by 8. After cancellation we are getting 3 by 4. Number 4, number of favorable outcomes M is equal to 8, because they said a number less than 9 to find its probability. Number less than 9 means all the numbers are available. That's why favorable outcomes will be 8. Therefore probability that it will point at a number less than 9, which is M by N, 8 by 8, answer is 1. Now question number 13. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number, a number lying between 2 and 6, and an odd number. So when a die is thrown once, then the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore total number of possible outcomes N is equal to 6. Now first question, they are talking about number of favorable outcomes. They are talking about prime numbers. So prime numbers we have only 3. 2, 3, 5 are the prime numbers. Regarding prime numbers, please learn those numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself, they are the prime numbers. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. These are all your prime numbers. These are all divisible by 1 and itself. So here favorable outcomes M is 3. Therefore probability of getting a prime number M by N, 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2. Now second question, they said a number lying between 2 and 6, that is 3, 4, 5, 3 numbers. So number of favorable outcomes M is equal to 3. Therefore probability of getting a number lying between 2 and 6, M by N, that is 3 by 6, also 1 by 2. Now third one, they are talking about odd number. In this list we have 1, 3, 5 are the odd numbers. So number of favorable outcomes M is equal to 3. Therefore probability of getting an odd number M by N, also 3 by 6, 1 by 2. Now number 14. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color. Number 1. Face card, red face card, jack of hearts, spade, queen of diamonds. So total number of possible outcomes N is equal to 52. Number 1. Number of favorable outcomes M is equal to. They said king of red color. King of red color we have only 2 pieces, hearts and diamonds. Therefore probability of getting a king of red color M by N, that is 2 by 52, which is 1 by 26. Second question, they are talking about face card. So number of favorable outcomes M is equal to 12, because there are 12 face cards. K, Q, J are called face cards. Each card we have 4 times, so 4 3s are 12. Therefore probability of getting a face card M by N, 12 by 52. After cancellation by 4, we are getting 3 by 13. Now third question, number of favorable outcomes M is equal to. They are talking about red face card. Red face card, that is hearts and diamonds, K, Q, J, 3 plus 3, 6 cards. Therefore probability of getting a red face card M by N, 6 by 52. After cancellation we are getting 3 by 26. Number 4. Number of favorable outcomes M is equal to 1, because they are talking about jack of hearts. Jack means J. For hearts only 1 J. So probability of getting the jack of hearts M by N, 1 by 52. Number 5. Number of favorable outcomes M is equal to 13. Therefore probability of getting a spade M by N, that is 13 by 52, which is 1 by 4. Number 6. Number of favorable outcomes M is equal to 1. Therefore probability of getting the queen of diamond. Queen of diamond only 1 piece, so 1 by 52 is the answer to this. Question number 15 also. 5 cards, 10, jack, queen, king, ace of diamonds are well shuffled with their faces downwards. One card then picked up at random What is the probability that the card is queen? Second question, if the queen is drawn and put aside, then what is the probability that the second card picked up is an ace and a queen? Now, total number of possible outcomes n is equal to 5 because 5 cards are given. So number of favorable outcomes m is equal to 1 because they're talking about queen. Queen only one piece. Therefore, probability that the card is queen m by n 1 by 5. Now second, if the queen is drawn and put aside, then the total number of possible outcomes n is equal to total 5 cards were there. Now queen has gone already. So 5 minus 1, 4. Now first question, number A. Number of favorable outcomes m is equal to 1 because they are talking about ace. Ace we have only one piece. Therefore, probability that the second card picked up is an ace, m by n 1 by 4. Now second question, number of favorable outcomes m is equal to 0 because already queen has drawn. Therefore, probability that the second card picked up is queen. Queen no more, already taken. So 0 by 4, which becomes 0. With this, I'll conclude today. Bye.